Nagliyab ang isang Ford SUV sa gitna ng daan pero sa halip na tumulong, nag-video lang daw ang mga saksi sa insidente. Narito ang agenda report ng ating mobility correspondent, G. Baroga.
Literal na under fire ang Ford matapos mag-viral ang isang Reddit post kung saan kita ang pagliyab ng isang Territory model nito habang nasa daan. Ang tanong ng uploader, anong kotse to? Nang maiwasan. Makikita sa larawan na balot sa apoy ang harapang bahagi ng sasakyan, mula sa hood hanggang sa mismong kalsada. Sinubukan ng BNC Mobility na makipag-ugnayan sa Ford Philippines at sa may-ari ng sasakyan para alamin ang tunay na nangyari, pero wala pa silang sagot sa ngayon. Ayon sa auto industry veteran at Visor columnist na si Biboy Vargas, bagamat nakakabahala, hindi ito isang bihirang pangyayari.
This is usually caused by the buildup of carbon and oil in the combustion chamber that eventually ignites in the combustion chamber, and you have a runaway engine that actually leads to the car burning.
Ibinahagi rin ni Vargas ang kanyang personal experience kung saan nasunog ang dati niyang sasakyan matapos kumalas ang fuel injector nozzle at direktang bumuga ng gasolina sa makina.
Technically, it's not impossible, but you have to consider that it's a fairly old car, no? And if it's a Territory, that's a fairly new car. I mean, the Territory has been in the market for a while. Maybe, just maybe, it was subjected to very severe road conditions, like it could be very rough.
May Reddit users na nag-point out na dapat daw may fire extinguisher on hand ang driver at sang-ayon dyan si Vargas. Para naman kay Joe Ferreira ng Automobile Association Philippines, what's most important is knowing how to respond when something like this happens.
The first thing that you need to do is you get yourself out of a car. The second is if you have a fire extinguisher, try to extinguish the fire if it's still small. But once it's already blazing, you stand the risk of getting blown away with that fire.
Isang sentimiento ng car owner, wala man lang daw tumulong sa kanya na apulahin ang apoy dahil abala silang kuhanan ito. Ferreira's take?
Bumili ka ng insurance. I mean, if the car is insured, you just have a big bonfire in front of you.
Ano naman ang implikasyon nito para sa Ford? Ayon kay Vargas, it could be a reputational hit, but probably just a short-lived one. Mayroon ding hiling ang industry watchers na magkaroon ng isang investigative body para tingnan ang mga insidenteng tulad nito, something more official than online guesswork. Para sa Agenda, G. Baroga, Billionaire News Channel.